jumping jacks 50 sets card 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 2 3 nya labi kay 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Ito sa kasbabaw bi kay mag video ko 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Imuha na tanan kanana 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Now my first exercise is jumping jack 50 repetitions with 3 sets 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 1 2 4 6 7 8 9 10 21 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50. One set. 2 minutes break. 5:30 balik ako. I am keep moving in my rest, but it is minimal because to avoid early frustration or burnout. So hapit na ang time. Okay. Now this is the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 6, 7, 8, 31, 32, 33, 4, 5, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 49, 50. Ayan, time. 8:40, balik ako. Nag-video ko, Jess.
Sorry.
Magkuha rin tubig. Kuha rin tubig. Na, tubig dito. Nagpag-usik ka. One minute left for my rest. Mani akong rest, sir, kay dapat daw na ay pinabuhat samtang rest para dili mo cool down atong lawa sa warm sa punta para sa tuang next nga exercise. Okay na. So this is the third and last set of the jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 30, 31, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, 43, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $11.20, balik na ko. What is the next exercise? Push up. 20 good repetitions and 3 sets. considered as moving, sir. This is considered as moving, sir, no? Kay kakalakaw mo to while nag-rest. Kakalakaw lang. So, dili ako po na rigorous na butang. So, I think this is okay. Kakalakaw sa while nag-rest. $11.20 okay. I'm getting my chest and tricep and my upper body ready for the push-up, sir. And there is 10 seconds remaining, so I shall start now. This is the second exercise, which is the push-up, 20 good repetitions and 3 sets. Tama. Lagi naman. That is the first set for 14 minutes and 12 seconds. Balik na ko. Medyo nalisod ko, sir, no, kay para sa ko agam hamrod nawalaan ko kusog garon gamay because last ay medyo adlaw bago po gikuag dugo for bloodletting, so murag that's why murag maglisod ko, pero makaya ran ako ni sir. Ano time? 14, 12, no? Balik ako. By the way, this is only 3 sets. So 60 ra. Today is Monday and natay time sa Patfit for tomorrow, but naman ko free time karon and I feel like I want to do this workout right now and basin dili na ko ni ma-feel ugma, so karon ko nabuhat, sir. By the way, free time man pud nako, so pwede naman pud mi mamili sa unsa nga adlaw mi mag kano exercise, so this will do. So okay, 10 seconds left for my rest. This is the second set of push-up, 20 repetition. Ten. 13. 15. 16. 18. 19, 20. That is the second rep. The second set. 17, 30, balik na ko. For my 2 minutes rest. For now, it is hard for me to achieve the 3 sets with 20 repetitions because feel ako ni nawalan ko kusog tungkol sa bloodletting, but mag-stick ra ko sa akong workout plan because I know na kaya na ko to buhaton because tungod sa ako ang retest 17:30 no? $17.30 manilig sa ko kadali sir. Kay maghugaw. Lain sa tiil basta makan. Yan ako tiwasan. $29.30. So this is the last final set. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 12. 14. 15. 15, I didn't make it, sir. Wala yung uksog ba? 15. 15 ra akong last set. $21. Balik ako. I didn't achieve the target. Wait, nasa tubig, sir. Pinsan na lang akong pansunod. Wala niyo ko kusuba. Next exercise is chair dips. 30 with 4 sets. 21 minutes. Na. Ito. 30 chair dips with 4 repetition. Ay, 4 sets. 34, 30. Those 4. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. First set. 30. Ayan, time. 24:15. Balik na po. Gusto kong balin. Nain mo po. Hindi ako, sir. Hindi ako. Hindi ako. 14:15 ano na? 24:15. Wala pa. Thirty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30. Ayan, time. 27:30. Balik ako. 27:30. This is the third. Third. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Third. Na po last 4 sets mo to, sir. Pump ko bro. Dagat yung push up eh. Bawasan na ako, sir. Instead of 60, mga 50. So, i-divide ako ng 50. 60 na ata, 60 na ata. 16 repetition. That will do. Kung mo ko kaya, okay. Bago pa nagpa-bloodletting, kung makuha ang kusog. Kaya mo ito na ako ng last. Kung 3 sets ako. Ay, anong time? Kalimot ko. 29. So, 31 balik ko. 2 minutes break. Then the third. Iwan balik ako. Last 20 seconds for my rest. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay, last set for my, this is the last set sa chair dip. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 89, 30. Time. 34, balik na ako 34. Sunod. Plank. Mag-set kong timer, sir. For 1 minute. 1 minute. 30 second. 30 second. Para, sir. Hindi mo nakita. Para 1 minute and 30 seconds. 34 minutes bali mo ko. Dungagan ako 5 seconds para sa concert. 35 seconds para sa preparation. Kumatupong ko dito. So 1 minute and 35 seconds akong timer. Nagaya kong ganda para makita kong time. 35 seconds. $34 na. 4, 33, 32, 31. Start. Eight, 7. One set. 35. 35.50, so 37.50 balik ko. Ano sa tubig, sir? May 7.15 na. Okay, last. Yan na lang. $45.6. Okay, this is the second set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One minute. Thirty seconds na lang. Ten seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah. Second set. 39. 41. 41. 40. Forty-one, 40 na. Last 1 minute lang. pain, no gain. Let's go. Charot. Eight, 39, 40, 40 na. Play. 5, 3, 2, 1. One minute. Thirty. Ten. So, then 43, 31. So 45, 30 kubalik. 45, 30. 3 sets of plank. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Next is curl up 15. 40. So balik 45, 30. 45, 30. James, tabangay ko beli be. Tamaki akong tail. Curl ups 15. 45-30 mo to. Konta, curl ups. Tamaki akong tail baka mag curl up.
Oo.
Ano na? Tatawad sa, dali ano ka? Gina. 15 plus 3. Gi. Buta sa cellphone mo dito. Kita pa. Kita makin yung kusog. Tapos gunit ang il. Lagi. Na. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Sige tawa. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Tama na. Anya na kay sunod. Katulo man to. 15. Curl up 15. Repetition. 3 sets. 48. 48-30 balik na. 48-30. Dish. Ano na? Sige, sige na. Gira na, nga na. Ngato dyan po na, gunite, tamaki, tapos gunite. Gunite nga dili magbulag-bulag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 na. Nape last. Last na lang na yun. Hindi time. 51:30. Bago po. Last 15. Even 13. One 30.
And this pigeon bird, you can see how stuck in there. And a guy that was walking by needed to demand to Pierre's side. He thought, it's my duty to help him escape. So he
Yan na. Ano din, last fixing. Muna din. Ay, sige, katawa ba? Diba? Ay, ay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ano na, bawal akong babo ko. 54:30 balik ko. Sunod tayo. Squat. Wag lagi. Workout ko kay basa ng spotpit. Workout tapos mag-video basa sa spotpit.
Gamit, nag-workout ko wags, gamit dumbbell. Panda, hindi ang sukan. Yes.
Wala mo ka pre.
Ito yung tinday, ikaw ano mo?
Yan na lang. Sa kauras sa gayang video na awa.
Yawa, scores.
Lagi. Awa pa day. Hapit na.
Yawa, hapit na.
Squat naman ko. Squat 50.
So na, wait.
Workout plan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Asa yun, eskwelahan?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Wags, magamit. Pwede mo gawin sa heater, wags. May ilit,
Oh.
wags. Sa kape.
3, 4,
Ah,
25,
wags,
6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. First set out of 3. 58 minutes, balik ako. Three, 4, 6, 7. Last 10 seconds. Na. Squat mo 50. Second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano pa? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
Wala man.
33, 34, 35,
May bunga pinya mo.
36, 37, 8, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Ha?
One hour and 1 minute. Balik na po. One hour and 30 day. 1 minute and 30 seconds day. Last set 50 squat 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35,
Uy, shoot na yung saya daw.
7, 8, 59, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh. Oras. 5 minutes. 1 hour and 5 minutes bago. Ah,
So, gipangisan ka?
wala isa. Subject na mo sa patpit. Mag-workout ng me. Work ka ng PE na mo ba?
Oo.
Mag-workout ng me. Mag-video tapos mag-kuhan.
Carl, pwede
Sen.
ka mainit sa heater, Carl.
Oh.
Wala kagi.
Okay. Ano ko wag suka, wag.
Ha? Ano nagpabulaw?
Palit mo sa merkado.
Mo lahi ra ba ng kolor na madugay?
Walang digi bleach.
Dili isang dili i-bleach mo lahi ng kolor na madugay ba?
Isa ko lang.
Murag mo bulaw ra japon. Nagi legit nanin kolor. Pati pula. Yellow diyan sa tawag ni timer. 40 seconds. Ay 45 japon ako iparekon. Prepare ang file.
Sa wags.
Pulse pa.
Kapoy na wags.
Kapoy eh. 1 minute ani awag ay testing ang kapoy yun.
Mahaway mo pan pagkitap no.
Hmm. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ha, 8 minutes balik ko. So, may bahat pa na ko eh. Bukal na, Wags. Bukal na. Kasi nagduwa dito.
Kaginit mo ang mukha. Gusto?
Kina 45 3 42 41
Nakapag ka.
Giyon 7 36 5 24 23 22 21 20 seconds. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, 10 minutes, balik ako. Magkay kapoy. Boys keyboards! Down key! Ah, dili, gawin subalo sa gabi. Naaman ang lang. Oy! Oh, nya, gabi. Bilad to nya. 10 minutes balik ako. Kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkakuan lang kasi. Ilang kaya push up, ano man to. Kuha ang dugo ko. 41. Last set of the wall squat. Last set and second to the last exercise. The last one is barbell exercise. 20. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kuulog man. $11:30 balik ko. Last na po. 30 bobber. Like ako eh. Bobber exercise 30. Mass command and cadence command. Command and precise. 1, 2, 2. Oy! Tuag, ba extra ba? Call. Namaligya. Oh. Wa ni mama. Ha? Mau balor ba, Col? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. First set. 15 minutes balik ko. Minute na lang. Ano na eh. Second set. Mass command in cadence command. Command exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 2 minutes akong pawiran. 16 by 6, 1 hour and 16 minutes balik ko.
Sama ng previous. Oh, lagi. Yaw, di pa mawalan ba ito yung minong workout pa? Itong bigyan na likod. Nakato ng baso. Maris balay. Ito, pambilin na ganyan umagi ng balay. Yaw, ayun. Anda, dahil pagkuhan, pag nasin balay ilangan na.
16 man to no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes mo na. Oh.